Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change Apple ID on iPad. Let's get started. First is open settings on your iPad, then tap your name at the top. Then scroll down and tap sign out. Enter your Apple ID to turn off, then find my iPad. Then choose whether to keep a copy of data on the iPad. Then tap sign out again to confirm. Next is after signing out, go back to settings, then tap sign in to your iPad at the top, enter the new Apple ID, email, and password. Then follow the prompts to set up iCloud, find my iPad, and other Apple services. After signing in, your iPad will sync data from the new Apple ID. Check settings, then go to your name, then go to iCloud, and enable items like photos, contacts, and notes. Make sure you know the password for the old Apple ID before signing out. Some apps or purchases tied to the old Apple ID won't transfer to the new account. Back up important data to iCloud or computer before changing Apple ID. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.